97% of drivers are getting robbed in plain sight and do not even know it. Mechanics and detailers are quietly pocketing thousands every single month from services you could do yourself at home for under $5, and today that stops. This video exposes 15 car hacks that professionals use every single day but will never tell you about, because the second you know them, you stop paying their bills. Stay until number 1, because that single hack involves your engine, your money at the pump, and a repair quote that has blindsided hundreds of thousands of drivers who trusted the wrong people. Number 15. Clay bar paint decontamination. Detailers charge you $200 for this, and your paint still feels rough and gritty, no matter how many times you wash it. Here is the nightmare truth. Washing removes surface dirt but does nothing against brake dust, industrial fallout, and tree sap particles fused into your clear coat. A clay bar kit costs $15 at any auto parts store. Spray the lubricant, glide the bar across your paint in straight lines, and feel the contamination physically pull free. What they hide from you is that waxing over contamination seals the damage in and accelerates clear coat destruction. Your $15 clay bar just did what their $200 service was supposed to do. Number 14. Isopropyl alcohol windshield wipe down. That haze on your windshield that no glass cleaner fully removes is not dirt. It is silicone film from interior sprays and cheap cleaners scattering oncoming headlights directly into your eyes every single night. Impaired visibility contributes to hundreds of thousands of accidents every year, and the fix costs $2. Pour 70% or higher isopropyl alcohol onto a microfiber cloth and wipe in straight overlapping passes. It dissolves the silicone film completely, evaporates with zero residue, and transforms your visibility in 5 minutes. Detailers bury this inside a $100 package. $2 just made your car safer than a professional detail. Number 13. Baby wipes on door window seals. Those black smear marks appearing on your glass every time you roll your windows down are coming from grimy, rubber-packed seal channels. And no glass cleaner applied to the glass will ever fix a problem living in the seal. A $3 pack of baby wipes pulled along the seal channel removes years of accumulated grime in one pass. Cracked, dried seals eventually let water inside your doors, causing electrical failures and interior rust, costing thousands to repair. $3 of baby wipes just extended the life of your entire door assembly. Number 12. Coconut oil on paint and trim. The detailing shop charges $60 to $100 for paint gloss treatment and trim restoration using chemistry nearly identical to pure coconut oil sitting in your kitchen right now. Apply a small amount on a microfiber cloth in circular motions across your paint. Buff it off, and depth and water repulsion return instantly. Hit your faded black plastic bumpers and rubber trim separately and watch years of gray oxidation vanish in 60 seconds. One $6 jar also conditions your leather seats and vinyl interior, replacing 3 separate detailing services you have been overpaying for your entire life. Number 11. Shampoo deep clean on carpet. The detailing shop is counting on you, believing their industrial extraction machine is the only solution to stained, odor-soaked carpet. The cleaning chemistry inside that machine is functionally identical to regular hair shampoo. Mix shampoo with warm water in a spray bottle. Scrub into your carpet with a stiff brush. Blot firmly with a dry towel, and air dry with doors open. Adding a few drops of white vinegar neutralizes odor at the molecular level instead of masking it. Stop paying $150 for a spray bottle and a machine doing exactly what you just did for $4. Number 10. Toothpaste on windshield scuffs. The auto glass industry is counting on you never making this connection. Surface scuffs and abrasions, catching light and distracting you while driving, do not need a $75 to $150 professional polish. Plain white toothpaste on a damp cloth, rubbed firmly in circular motions for 60 to 90 seconds, uses the same mild controlled abrasion as professional glass polishing compounds. Wipe clean and the scuff is dramatically reduced or completely gone. This same method removes water spots from mirrors and polishes yellowed headlight lenses. A $2 tube just eliminated an entire category of shop visits permanently. Number 9. Vaseline Tire Shine. Detailers sell you silicone and petroleum-based tire dressings with fragrance and a fancy label for $20 to $30 a bottle. Plain petroleum jelly from any pharmacy for $4 delivers the same restoration chemistry with zero markup. Work it across your sidewalls in circular motions, and the deep black color returns immediately with a moisture barrier that slows oxidation between washes. What tire dressing ads never tell you is that regular petroleum conditioning slows dry rot in your sidewall rubber. Left untreated, that cracking leads to tire failure. A safety nightmare that costs you everything. Number 8. Coca-Cola Rust Remover. Body shops quote $200 to $500 for surface rust treatment, while phosphoric acid, the active ingredient in professional rust converter products, is sitting in your refrigerator right now inside a can of Coca-Cola. Pour it directly onto the rusted surface. Let it sit 10 minutes. Scrub with crumpled aluminum foil, rinse, dry, and seal with WD-40. Surface rust ignored becomes structural rust, meaning frame repair, panel replacement, and a resale value that drops by thousands. $5 of soda just protected your investment from a $500 financial disaster. Number 7. WD-40 for sticker and residue removal. Old parking stickers, dealer decals, and registration tags leave adhesive residue that detailers charge $40 to $80 to remove. WD-40 sprayed directly onto the residue and wiped with a microfiber cloth. After 60 seconds, dissolves adhesive completely without touching your clear coat. The same product removes tar, road paint, and bug splatter using identical chemistry. 3 separate contamination removal services. Detailers bill individually, all handled by one $5 can you probably already own right now. Number 6. Lemon and baking soda headlight restoration. Studies show oxidized yellowed headlights reduce your light output by up to 80%. That is not cosmetic. That is a collision risk every night you drive. Restoration kits cost $20 to $40, and mechanics charge up to $150. Cut a lemon in half, dip it in baking soda, and scrub the lens in firm circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Citric acid breaks down the UV oxidation layer, while baking soda polishes the surface clear. A 50-cent lemon just restored your night vision and saved you $80 in the same move. Number 5. Coffee filter dashboard wipe down. Every dollar you have spent on specialty interior wipes has been a trap. Coffee filters are lint-free by design, making them objectively superior to paper towels and comparable to professional microfiber applicators for your dashboard, console, and trim panels. A pack of 200 costs $3. Detailers bundle this 10-second technique inside an $80 to $150 interior package and never explain that the material is doing all the work. The same lint-free property makes them perfect for instrument clusters and glass screens, where lint is most visible and most frustrating. If you have made it this far and you have not subscribed yet, do it right now, because the next 3 hacks are the ones mechanics are most desperate for you to never discover. Hit subscribe and let's finish this. Number 4. Newspaper inside windshield polish. The inside of your windshield hazes faster than the outside because off-gassing from your dashboard plastics continuously coats the glass with an oily film that standard cleaner cannot cut. Crumpled newspaper used with your glass cleaner creates a mild polishing action that fabric and paper towels simply cannot replicate, leaving zero lint and zero streaking. This century-old technique is buried inside $100 interior detail packages. Doing it monthly stops that dangerous haze from ever building up and putting everyone inside your car at risk. Number 3. Foam cleaner on AC vents. Mechanics charge $80 to $180 to treat musty AC smell as though it requires specialized equipment. The odor comes from mold, mildew, and bacteria inside your vent channels from moisture buildup. It is a cleaning problem, not a system failure. A $6 to $8 can of foam vent cleaner sprayed into each vent expands to coat channel walls and destroy that microbial growth. Run. AC on full blast for 5 minutes, then switch to recirculate for 10. Complete system decontamination for $8. That mechanics bill as a premium diagnostic service every single time. Number 2. Shoe polish on tire sidewalls. Silicone-based tire dressings sling off onto your fender wells the moment you hit highway speed. A $3 tin of black shoe polish bonds directly to rubber, fills scuff marks, restores deep black color, and keeps white lettering crisp for weeks because it is formulated to penetrate dark surfaces. Exactly what your sidewall is. You have been paying $20 for an inferior result when the superior solution has been on grocery store shelves your entire life. Number 1. WD-40 on your throttle body. This is the hack mechanics have built a repeat billing machine around. Carbon deposits and varnish coating your throttle body plate cause engine hesitation, rough idle, and reduced fuel economy, meaning a dirty throttle body costs you money every single mile you drive. Mechanics scan your car, nod seriously, and quote $100 to $200 for a cleaning service. With the engine off, you spray WD-40 onto a cloth, wipe the inside of the throttle plate, use short direct sprays for heavier buildup, reinstall your intake, and start the engine. Hesitation gone. Idle smooth. Throttle response back. $5 and 10 minutes. Mechanics stay silent about this because a clean throttle body means you never return for that service. And that service is pure profit built entirely on your ignorance. If any one of these saved you money today, smash that like button, subscribe so you never walk into a shop uninformed again, and drop a comment below telling us where in the world you are watching from. Because this community is global, and we want to hear from you. Click the next video right now, because what is waiting there will make today's savings look like pocket change.